So I ran back over to that Gordon's food service place, the place that kind of caters to restaurants, has that industrial size and or bulk size packaged items. It's like Sam's Club or Costco, but without the membership. So I ran back over there because I was going to be making fish. I've needed some fish. I wish I had got the fish the day I was there because I really needed some when I was there. But I said, let me wait and go back again. But I went back and they didn't even have the perch. I haven't had perch in so long. So I said, let's mix that up with our little fish fry or whatever. So I just got the catfish fillets. I didn't even see the cod. Well, did I see cod? I didn't see it in the bigger package. But anyway, they didn't have the perch like this, or the one they had was a little damaged, so I didn't get that. So anyway, I got that, and this is I think it was about $18, and it's 3 pounds. So I don't know, good or bad or whatever. But anyway, got that, and because we're making my menu for this week, the next 2 weeks will be spaghetti, will be fish, will be shrimp with like I can do it with pasta or something, or rice, a curry shrimp, and then a what else I'm gonna do? I'm probably gonna do some beans at some point, and then lasagna. Yeah, lasagna. And I meant to do, I surely forgot, I need to take that out right now. As a matter of fact, the cheese, I have cheese in the freezer, and I meant to make the lasagna today. Then I realized I didn't even have the cheese out of the freezer. But anyway, I got 2 of these onion powders. These are 1.25 pounds. So this is a good amount to have. I got 2 of those. I picked up 2 of the imitation vanilla, which are in these huge bottles for the price of one of the, this is a quart, 32 ounces. 32 ounces, and I thought that was a good, good deal, because their pure one is like almost $40. I was like, no, I won't be getting that today. So, and I got a stash ginger and lemon tea. I have a English afternoon tea. I picked this up. I've never had this before. This is a blend of like a margarine and butter. So it's the big pound size. So I said, let me just try it and see how it tastes, how comparable it is to what do you call it, butter. So that would be all for these. I think that's all I got from there. They didn't have, I just really only went for the fish. Well, I went for all of these things except for the tea and the butter. Oh, I went for ground turkey, but their ground turkey is frozen. I don't even have time for frozen at this point, although it was like $18 for a huge block of it, but I just didn't do it. So anyway, if you see this in your audience, now I picked this up. If you saw in my last haul, I will try to link it. I picked this up on the clearance, and man, this is so delicious. It almost tastes like a German chocolate cake frosting or something like that. It is really, really good. It's so nice. I've added in coffee and tea on top of bread or something like that. What do I have it on? Some kind of bread, some kind of sweets or something. But it's really, really good. If you see this, spreadable honey, and this is the cinnamon. I don't know if they had anything else, but I wish I had got all 3 of those when I saw them, but I only picked up 2. But I hope I'll find another one. I'll go to another Aldi's and find it. I didn't go to the same Aldi's that I found it in. So anyway, I got grapes from Aldi's. This is my Aldi haul. Moving right along. And I just got a little small bunch of bananas, which are very ugly now for some reason. Oh, because, but anyway, never mind. And then I just got 1 stalk of celery. I got this instant coffee because I bought a frother. So I'm just going to be using this to, you know, in different cocos and stuff to make it creamy and, you know, make it cafe style, you know. So anyway, yeah, I picked this up. This was on sale. This was almost like up to $3. I know a lot of people say that instant coffee is really not coffee at all, but I like to use it in hot chocolate and cocoa and stuff like that. So my family likes these. I picked these up. I was buying these at Dollar Tree. They were having these breakfast crispy oats. They have them cinnamon, blueberry, and something like that. So they actually surprised me by liking these. So I saw them at Aldi. So I picked up 2 of the crispy oats and 1 of the brown sugar and cinnamon. So these are pretty good. And it's a package, 5 packs with 4 biscuits inside. Sorry about that. 5 packs of 4 biscuits. We got our and they had a lot of good breads. Oh my goodness. I was like, oh. Anyway, they had a lot of good breads. Different flavored breads, different multi-grain breads. I was like, wow, these look so delicious, you know. But anyway, I'll go back again once these things, because these are just patch things I just picked up. I didn't even mean to pick up a lot of the things I picked up from Aldi's. I just needed to go and get the I meant to just get what do you call it? I think I want to get cereal for my cereal killers, and the ground turkey. So anyway, I got this bread, the wide pan. Love this, and it's a good bread, and the price is right, because this is $4, $5, $6 at other stores, and it's like no. Picked up a little mini croissant for them, and so we were out of these saltines. I like to keep saltines in the house. This is dinner tonight. My favorite little French fries, and we have not had fish fillets and like fish sticks or anything like that in so long. I remember I used to make this for my children when they were real little. We would have the fish fillets and the fish sticks. I think I would have it with fries and a salad or something like that. So, and this salad looks so good. The cabbage a little slaw, but yeah. So that's going to be for dinner tonight. Got those. Then some of the stuff for the cereal killers. Cocoa peanut butter puffs. I don't know if I got this before, but I got 3 of those and 1 honey nut and oats. And that's the Crispy Flakes Crunchy Toasted Oats cereal with honey and almonds. So I picked that up. Let me see what else I got. Okay, so over here I have shrimp, and I did not pay attention to the shrimp that I picked up because, well, I guess it does. Well, it does matter. But I got, I thought I had large, but because I was looking at the large, but it's okay. I mean, I know I meant to get the large and the medium. I meant this jumbo. I meant to say I was looking at the jumbo. I was going to mix it up, but I just mixed it up like this. Instead, the large and the medium. But this is peeled and deveined, or deveined, excuse me, with the tail on. And this one is peeled, deveined, and tail off. But it's okay, because we eat that. I mean, because when I cook them, you know, you sauteing it in something delicious and flavorful. I eat that shell. So, yeah, anyway, moving right along. And how many are in here? It normally says the approximate. Okay, so approximately yeah, right, 71 to 90 shrimp per pound, and per 12-ounce bag, okay, 53 to 68. Okay, so that's what's in them. So 53 to 68 should be in here, and this one should have about 23 to 30 inside of here. So yeah, I'm gonna try to, I'll probably just curry these and make it with rice or something like that, but we'll see. They said they haven't had it in a while, so I'm gonna have to probably make that. Everybody is saying, oh, you haven't made this, you didn't do this, and okay, no problem. So anyway, pick these up, probably put these in the freezer just for those days when, you know, you just really don't feel like doing all of that. And I got my nice shredded Gouda. I got some Gruyere cheese as well. Oh, can't wait to put my teeth into both of those. And I picked up 3 of the 85 lean 50% fat, 15, excuse me, percent fat. How many pounds is this? I can't, what is this, 2 pounds? 2 pounds and 4 ounces. So I just got 3 of these. So I'm going to mix these up half and half. Some is going to be for spaghetti, some is going to be for lasagna. I picked up some coconut cream creamer. Picked up another pure vanilla. I picked up my favorite mayonnaise. I didn't get the Hellmann's, but I just picked up, I do love real mayonnaise though. I got oregano leaves as well as basil leaves. Let's see, yeah, basil leaves, I'm low on those. And I picked up 1 Italian seasoning. I picked the pure, the vegetable oil up. I'm gonna, mix this with my olive oil to fry some chicken. Yes, chicken. The fish, because I'm kind of doing a fish fry. Normally I do it in the oven, but this time, well, really because I was going to do that perch, I really wanted to, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to fry that. But nonetheless, I'm going on. So yeah, I'm going to be mixing the oils a little bit to fry that catfish. And I just got 2 of these juices, apple juices, just 2% milk, and more cereal for the cereal killers. Kids Crunch. Yeah, this is the one. Oh, this is Kids Crunch. Kids Crunch. Okay. Captain Crunch. I see. Captain Crunch. I got 2 of those, and then I got 2 of these. Okay, Berry Kids Crunch, because that's what was throwing me off. Berry Kids Crunch, because they got, this used to be like, was this Crunch Berry? But they didn't have all of these different colors in them. I see they got colors now. They only had them in that one red or something. So that will complete my haul that I almost did not do. I almost got into a fight with with somebody. Hold on. Yeah, seriously, it became an embarrassing moment today when I was at the store, and this lady, she was like, I don't know if she was aware of it at first, because she kept like knocking me over with her cart, and I was thinking like, and I would kind of look at her, but I was thinking maybe she didn't know, but that, that she was doing that with the cart. But then she was almost really running me over, because there was this big long line. So then these other young ladies looked like they was opening up another line. So I was asking, are you all opening? Now I'm over here by myself. If the lady who was knocking me down at first, she's over in that long line. And then she came over there and she was like pushing, get out the way. If you don't want to get in line. I say, well, just a minute, ma'am. I'm trying to figure out if they're open. If the light is on, that mean they open. I said, well, that doesn't really mean that all the time. I said, you still have to ask. You get up there and they wind up telling you that the line is closed, or, some nonsense. So, man, she was like, and I was saying, and I was telling her, because she had started really snapping out, and I was telling her, and I'm like telling her also, you're knocking me over, and thank God, because I had, instead of having a cart, I bypassed the cart. And I had a bag. I had my shopping bag with me, and I had some stuff in it, and that was really what was buffering everything, because she would have just really hurt me. And she was like, well, if you ain't gonna get over there, I'm gonna get over there. I'm in a hurry. And I was telling her, I said, you know what, you really too, and no disrespect, but I told her, I said, you really too old for that. I said, you're knocking me down, and you should wait. Oh, don't chastise me. Don't tell me what to do. I'm like, but she had told me to move. I mean, she was rude. I don't talk to people like that. And I was like, then I was thinking like, no, something's wrong with this lady, because she was loud. She was pushing me down, and she was saying all kind of stuff to me, and she denied every bit of it. And I was like, oh, okay, something's wrong here. Let me just keep it moving. Something's wrong here. But anyway, that's why I just said, forget it. I'm not even doing no haul. Let me put these groceries away and put this little food on and sit my little ugly self down. But anyway, I'm sorry for you guys for saying that. But anyway, love you very much. Hope you enjoyed this haul. Hope you enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.